They say it's bad luck to like open an umbrella inside. It's also bad luck to be a bitch, but nobody listens to that one. Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tania and I film all kinds of pink, girly, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos on this channel. So if that's something you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and push bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Whoa, that was aggressive. Okay guys, so for today I have yet another super girly extreme shopping haul. This one is only from Burlington. I found so many things. Okay, I didn't buy everything because I didn't need half the stuff I found. Like if I took there's no reason to buy everything obviously, so I only bought the things that I do need and I'm gonna use. But I did do a reel, and I always do these reels where I show you guys all of the pink finds I find at like Ross, Burlington, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys everything that I purchased, and then at the very end I'm gonna show you guys a reel of all of the stuff I found so that you guys can see, because I found the cutest bags, cutest bathroom things. But I'm moving right now, so it's not smart to buy too many home items that I don't necessarily need right now, because it's just gonna end up in storage. You know, I'm gonna wait until it gets closer to move-in day at our new house to start buying home stuff. But anyway, continuing, I did find so many juicy items at Burlington. I'm not gonna hold up the bags because they're heavy, okay? So we're just gonna get right into it. Went in a little bit, like they had these juicy couture towels and I bought like 4 of them because I did need new towels. My towels are just old and they need to be replaced. But this is what they look like. These are the bath sheets, I believe. Yes, bath towel. And they say juicy couture on them, and they're the perfect shade of pink. They're super pretty. I do wish they were a little lighter, but it doesn't bother me that they're like this fun color of pink because they're just too cute to say no to. So that was 1, 2, this one got all messed up here, 3 and 4. So I got 4 of those. And then I also picked up the hand towels, which are matching, and they look like this. Super cute. I'm obsessed with the color of these. And then I picked up some face towels. So I am gonna keep one of the face towels for my actual face, and then I'm gonna leave the other one here in the studio so that I can use for makeup brushes and clients and just to dirty them, I guess. The face towels, yeah, the face towels were $5 for the set. The hand towels were $7.99 for a set of 2, and then the bath towels were $7 a piece. Those are just adorable. If you see them, snatch them. And I also think that it's such a good price for the towels. Like a bath towel in Target, which are the ones I normally buy, are like $15 a piece, and this cost literally half of that. So that's why I ended up getting 4 of them, because such a good deal. So Manny is assisting me. He's handing me things. He came over here after work and he brought me this drink.
Hello guys.
He brought me this drink. He's like, I want to cheer you up, so I brought you this drink. Super cute. It's strawberry melon.
That tastes so good.
It is so good. You want to try it? This right here. Okay, Juicy Daily Days. You guys know I love leopard print. I got this to use as an accent quilt. So this is a quilt. It comes with the shams and everything. Here's the, oh well, the pictures on both sides actually. This was $36.99 for a king size. That's really affordable for a king size anything. King size stuff, even sheets start at like $50, $60. And you guys, the best part, okay, is the inside of it is baby pink. Cute, so cute. So I'm going to use it as like one of those quilts you like roll up at the end of the bed. If you guys don't know, my entire bed set is juicy couture. It is like a juicy couture soft like baby pink. It's like about this color right here. It is a baby pink velvet comforter, and it is beautiful. It was expensive, from like Macy's or Nordstrom. I can't remember which one of those I got it from. I did get it with a little coupon code, but it was still a little pricey. But yeah, now I have a juicy couture quilt to put on it, and this is such a good deal. They had I believe full and queen as well. I did not see twin size. I only saw king and then full queen. Obsessed with these like juicy hangers. Anybody else? I'm gonna keep them. And like in my linen closet at the new house, I'm gonna use it to like hang my sheets all pretty. Next find was another item I really needed and have been looking for. So you guys are gonna think it's crazy, but I do not own a full-size blow dryer. I have been living off of a travel size blow dryer, which is not a bad thing, but it does dry your hair a little slower, but it is a good blow dryer, and a blow drying hairbrush, but I don't own like a normal blow dryer. And I saw this at Burlington. I couldn't even believe my eyes. This is a T3 blow dryer. Given this is the, I believe they have this for like $100 at Sam's. So it's not like their $200, $300 one, but I don't need like a crazy blow dryer. I have very fine hair. I don't have frizzy hair. I don't have like super problematic hair. My hair is just fine, so it dries pretty quickly. Like I don't have trouble with it. So this is a pretty good blow dryer. I looked up so many reviews just while I was waiting in line to pay for this, and it had really great reviews. And this is originally $100. You guys, where's the price tag? There it is. This is how much I got it for. $49.99. It is super pretty. I love the white and the rose gold. Let me show you guys what she looks like on the inside. This is how it came. Well, I did mess with it already, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not sure if something is missing here. Something's supposed to go in here. I don't think so. The back doesn't say it comes with anything else except like these two pieces, this and then the actual blow dryer. Actually, it feels really, really sturdy. Like definitely doesn't compare to like your normal old little like $15 blow dryer. I've bought plenty of those. And it's just beautiful. Like it's really pretty. I don't know, I felt that this at $100 is a bit overpriced because it is a regular old blow dryer. Like it has your like 3 different speeds, it has your 2 different, I don't know what this is, and then it has your cooling button. So like it's not like anything special. So $100 for it I think is a lot, but $50 I think is a really good price. So here's what it looks like. Are we pretending to blow dry our hair right now? Why do I do these things? I'm weird. The cord's white. We always appreciate when the cord matches the product, right? Capiche? Capiche? It won't come off. Con huevos! No, I am a strong, independent woman and I don't need no man.
Oh, yeah.
Meanwhile, you're the one that's handing everything to me. He's laughing because I literally called him. I'm like, can you come and get stuff out of my car? Okay, the next thing I got that I really needed, and it's so cute, you guys. I got a pink little outlet extension cord thing, and I always love finding these at Burlington, Ross, and Home Goods because they always have pink ones and they're so cute. This one actually has like 2 little USB ports as well. This is what it looks like. It was $14.99 and it is 3 feet in length. And this one is here for the office. I have a ton of extension cords in the beauty room and stuff, but I don't have any specifically for my office. I actually stole the ones from my beauty room. And we're moving, so it worked out. But eventually those have to go back for my vanity at my other room. So anyway, we needed one to keep here. You guys, this is the cutest thing. Tell me this is not the cutest thing. So this is a little umbrella. I know they say it's bad luck to like open an umbrella inside, but I just have to show you guys how cool this is. So, well, I mean, not cool. It's cute. All umbrellas do this, I think. But anyway, so yeah. This is super cute. Look at it. And it is like Victoria's Secret stripes. Like, can we not? This is adorable. I just want to go to the beach now so I could take this with me.
I'm just waiting for everyone in the comments to be like, it's bad luck to open up an umbrella.
It is bad luck to open up an umbrella inside, supposedly. I mean, it's also bad luck to be a bitch, but nobody listens to that one. You literally just grab it like this, and then this just velcros around it. And then you can literally just throw this like in your car or like your purse or whatever. And it's just really cute and portable. I don't own a single umbrella. I've never owned an umbrella, and I don't know why, but I own one now. Next, we found a Juicy Couture item, and these were so soft. Like, I could not put them back. I was like, oh my gosh, oh my god. They're the softest. So the pink one has these little JCs like embossed all over it. And then the black ones are like party in the bag. It says Juicy in Rhinestones, which is really, really cute. And these were $10 for both. That's really cheap. I have 2 more things to share with you guys, and then I will let you guys go. Next thing I have is a rug. This is a brand I really like from Burlington for home decor. It is Catherine Malandrino, and this is what the logo looks like, and this is a runner. So I'm going to actually put this in our kitchen that is being staged right now because we're selling our home, but I'm gonna put this in our kitchen. We had another rug there, but it was so gross, like we had to throw it out. So our kitchen does need a new rug right now, and just because we're selling it doesn't mean that I'm not going to maintain my house, of course. But yes, I can't wait to go and put this in the kitchen. It is the perfect blush nude pink. It's $14.99. And then the very, very last thing I got is for the office. This wasn't necessarily something we needed, but let me show you. I feel like this is going to be useful. So it may not be a need, but it will definitely make life easy at the office. So I got this like dry erase like calendar, planner, to-do list. I love that it had the to-do list here on the side. It's so glossy and pretty, and it has a gold frame, and I'm gonna be hanging this up here next to my desk so I can put all of the things that I have to do, plan out my videos and stuff on this, and I can, you know, be more productive. And the to-do list, I love making to-do lists. Okay, so this part right here is just amazing. I can't wait to use this. It did come with a dry erase marker, and I don't know where it went, but it did come with it. Came with a boring dry erase marker. I'm gonna see if I can find some cute like glam dry erase markers, maybe some that are packaged pink. You guys know how I am. But yeah, it did come with one, if you're wondering. And I paid $14.99 for that, which is a steal. I have seen these dry erase calendars going for like $50 on Amazon. So super glad that I found this huge one. It's like it's really heavy, so it's good quality for only 15 bucks at Burlington. So yeah. Okay guys, that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more pink Burlington finds, make sure you check out my Instagram. I'm gonna insert the reel I told you guys about at the beginning right here.
Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't.
Guys, if you stayed until the end, leave me this emoji. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.